मैं बड़ी आजिज़ी के साथ इल्तमास करता हूँ फजीलत मुआब आर्च बिशप बेनी मारियो ट्रेविस आर्च बिशप ऑफ कराची से कि वो हमसे खिताब करें।
The Catholic Church strongly condemns the burning and destruction of churches and homes of the Christian community in Jaranwala. With great shock and disbelief, after celebrating Independence Day on the 14th of August 2023, where we were reminded that Pakistan belongs to all Pakistanis, we have once again been confronted with open hatred and uncontrollable rage shown towards the Christian community in the atrocities that has taken place in Jaranwala, Faisalabad. An alleged desecration of the Holy Quran that has yet to be investigated led to an open act of violence against the entire Christian community residing at Jaranwala, where churches and houses were targeted, destroyed and burnt down without any fear, and the Holy Bible and the places of worship of Christian community were desecrated. Once again, we have the same old condemnations and visits by the politicians and other government officials expressing their solidarity with the Christian community and promises that justice will be done. But in reality, nothing materializes and all is forgotten after a while. As Archbishop of Karachi and head of the Catholic Christian community residing in Karachi, I just cannot comprehend how my people would show disrespect to any religion or to any sacred book. We as a Christian community have time and again displayed fidelity to our nation of Pakistan. Yet incidents like the burning of Christian homes in Gojra, Shantinagar, Joseph Colony, and now Jaranwala shows that we are in reality second-class citizens that can be terrorized and frightened at will. We therefore call upon the government and its administration to show solidarity to the Christian community in this hour of grief by taking strong action against all those who were involved in taking the law into their own hands and destroying and desecrating churches, the Holy Book, and the homes of the Christian community. We also call for a high-level investigation of the alleged desecration of the Holy Quran, as past incidents have shown that there have been other hidden motives behind such allegations. God bless us all. God bless Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.